It's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and I'm going to show you today a deep side ponytail spiced up with another braid technique. So just part the hair diagonally from the right eyebrow to the left side of the neck. You can clip the remaining hair from the right hand side out of the way, or I just tie it here with a hair elastic. Let's start. You have to section off the front part of the hair and you're going to split it into 3 equal sections. And now we're going to do a normal braid, like a 3-strand braid, bringing the left over the middle and the right over the middle. Now bring again the left over the middle, and as if you would add in hair, you're going to take a new strand. And this one does not go together with the one you just brought over. No, it goes under the one that you just brought into the middle, and you're going to join it to the right hand side. So it travels to the right side and then goes over together with the strand from the right side over the middle. Now you're going to do exactly the same again. Bring the left strand over the middle, take a new strand of hair, as if you would join it into a French braid. Now bring it under the strand that is in the middle and let it travel to the right hand side, where you're going to join it to the right hand side, to the right strand, and bring both over to the middle. Now one more time again. The left strand over the middle. Instead of adding the hair to the left hand strand, you bring it under the left hand strand. And then when it's going under, you join it to the right hand side. And from there, you bring it over the middle strand. Grab the hair tight so that nothing loosens up. Bring the left over. Take a new strand of hair. And then instead of adding it in, you bring it over the left strand, under the middle strand, and add it to the right. You just have to try it and you will see that is super easy, and it just makes a different pattern because of adding in the hair differently. And like this, you are going to braid until you reach the left hand side of the neck. Of course, you can do it the other way around. I just decided to do it this way. And the diagonally parting that we did at the beginning is something like your guiding line, so that you know where you have to pull the braid to. Keep on braiding and do always the same step. Here you see very good already this little difference that makes adding in the hair this different way. It reminds me a bit of a 3-strand round braid, but it's probably just because the hair that you add in becomes for a second a 4th strand, and it always sticks out when you bring the right strand where you added this strand in over to the middle. Braiding like this, when you get a hang of it, you will see that it's super easy to do, and you will do this braid much more often. When you reach now the end of the neck, where no hair is to add in, you can finish off and braid a bit more with a regular 3-strand braid. So bring the left over the middle and the right over the middle, and then just tie it off with a little elastic. So now you're going to clip the braid you just finished away and take the remaining hair, pull it to the left hand side, tie it off with a little hair elastic and make a deep ponytail. When you have this done, bring down the braid and add it to the deep ponytail you just did. For a neater result, you should hide the hair elastic under a strand of hair. I'm using here the Topsy Tail tool. And if you have a toddler or little girl who likes bows or any other accessory, just hide the elastic under the accessory. And this is our final result. An easy and quick braid that spices up all normal ponytails. If you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for not missing any new tutorial that we upload on Monday and Thursday. And if you check out our Instagram account, you will see all styles done on my daughter Trencita. Thank you so much for watching.